Hello everyone, today we are going to learn two new sounds. Are you ready? Alright, let's take a look. As you can see, the two sounds, they look very similar, but they sound different. Okay, and as you can also see, there are two letters. Of course, when they are apart, they make a different sound. They make the short O sound. But when they come together, they make two different sounds. Are you ready? Let's try the first one. Oh, good job. Repeat. Oh, excellent. And this one, which is a longer sound, is ooh. Excellent again. Oh, ooh, oh, ooh. Good job. All right, and as you can see here, we have a clock. But this clock is very special because it has a cuckoo bird. Excellent. It's a cuckoo clock. Well done. Are you ready to sing the song? Okay, in the song, we want to be cuckoo birds. Okay? So follow along with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh. Good job! Did you like being a cuckoo bird? Excellent. Are you ready to take a look at some words with these sounds? Excellent. Okay, so we're going to start first with the short sound, the sound, right? When we go forward. Very good. Repeat with me again. Excellent. We go forward to make the sound. Excellent. All right, so let's take a look at the first picture. Here, can you see this picture? What is this? A book. Very good. Excellent. So we have B, but what's missing? Did you say the sound? Good job. All right, I'm going to write here. 1 and 2. Excellent. So repeat. B, k. Let's put it together. 1, 2, 3. Book. Excellent job. Are you ready for the next one? Good. Who is this? Excellent. She's a cook. Repeat. Cook. Excellent. So as you can see, the first sound, k. But what's missing in the middle? Excellent. Repeat. Oh. Good job. All right. 1 and 2. Excellent. Repeat with me. K. Oh. K. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Cook. Well done. Okay, so that's the short sound. Let's repeat again. Oh. Good job. And now we're going to do the longer sound. And for the longer sound, we go back. Ooh. Again. Ooh. Excellent job. All right, let's take a look. What is this place called where we can see animals? Excellent. Did you say zoo? Well done. Okay, so we have the first sound. Well, what's missing? You guessed it. Ooh. 1 and 2. Good job. So repeat. Z. Ooh. Good. 1, 2, 3. Zoo. Excellent job. You're great. All right, and let's take a look at the second picture. What is this that we see at night? A moon. Excellent. Ooh, you're so smart. All right, so it's a moon. We have the first sound. But what's missing in the middle? You guessed it. Ooh. Well done. All right. 1 and 2. Repeat, please. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Moon. Excellent job. You were great cuckoo birds. One more time. Okay, we go forward and back. You ready? Ooh, 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 ooh. Excellent job with the new sounds today. Well done.